Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to import your wallet in Trust Wallet using the Chrome browser. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the Trust Wallet extension. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now as you can see, as soon as I clicked on the extension, this page opened up. From here, do note that you can simply create a new wallet, import or recover your wallet as well, or simply connect your Ledger wallet. But right now all we want to do is import it, so I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to enter your password. Simply enter it right now in order to protect your wallet. I'm gonna enter it. Do note that your password must satisfy these conditions as well. Once you've done that, simply scroll down and click on this checkbox right here. Click on it and simply hit on next. Now what you guys need to do is to simply enter your 12-word secret phrase. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered everything. In case you have 24-word secret phrase, simply click on this drop down button right here and select this one. I have a 24-word secret phrase. Now I'm simply gonna hit on next. This is how you import your wallet in Trust Wallet using the Chrome browser extension. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.